minutes. We'll
Where
get a
you
couple
been?
questions in, okay?
I'm waiting for you. Yes.
Al Habit, Palm Beach Post.
How are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
See you.
Same here.
All right.
Well, one thing I was interested about is, with this being on YouTube and all the other outlets, how has this changed the way, they've been promoting a match as far as using social networking and you and Cena going back and forth and using it to promote it, because your schedule is so demanding, and then not being there every week to be able to, to push the message along.
Well, the social media platforms have been a tremendous asset to us in terms of our promotions. WWE does a terrific job at marketing. They're a marketing machine. The platform of social media has just enhanced our promotion. And even with my schedule as challenging as my schedule is, I go to Twitter, and what Twitter was able to provide was just a nice platform that we can entertain, because we had our challenges in terms of maintaining the interest. Come on, let's take a picture.
I want a picture too.
Okay, and maintaining the interest over a year. So social media has been terrific.
Okay. With all of South Florida cheering for you, do you feel you have an unfair advantage against Cena?
In the words of Clint Eastwood, there is no such thing as fair or unfair.
What move are you going to use?
He didn't say that. I just made that up. It sounded cool.
Rock, you could have done Atlanta last year and wrestled there. You could have wrestled next year in New York, but you picked Miami to be the spot to wrestle.
Sure.
So can you talk a little bit about that?
I can. It was just, it's special to me. It's home. I've been down here since I was 18 years old, and it's a dream come true. Not only is it in a business that I love, that I grew up in, professional wrestling, but more importantly than that, it's a hell of a way to give back to the fans, and it's a hell of a way to give back to a business that I grew up in, and had it not been for the business that I was in, I wouldn't be in the position that I'm in. I wouldn't be in the position that I'm in today. So it's going to be very, very special. 80,000 people going crazy at home.
One thing I was interested
One more
is,
question, guys, and I got
is it true that Kurt Hawkins was working with you in the ring?
I love Kurt. Yeah,
So is that true that you worked the ring rust off?
Kurt's been great. Kurt's been great. Joe Hennig has been great too as well. I mean, I've had a training camp going on for, don't interrupt me like that. I've had a training camp for about over a year now, and those guys have been tremendous.
Thank you, guys.